I've got my 3-speed waist fan here. Now when you do receive it, you are going to get a charging cord here. This is the charging port to go ahead and plug that in. It also does come with the lanyard, so you can place that lanyard around this back side of the clip and put it around your neck if you want to, or just use it to carry it, so that way if you want to, it's blowing on your neck and your face. Now this is 3 speeds. Right here is our power button. So when you do turn that on, you're going to see the LEDs light up and let you know how much power is left in the battery. Now this is also a power bank, 6,000 milliamp hours. You can go ahead and plug in a USB-A port right there and go ahead and charge up any of your smart devices that you need to, and that it does have 2 clips. We've got 1 clip here. That way we can go ahead and clip that onto our belt if we want to and put that underneath maybe our shirt. And we're going to take this other clip, and that's where we're going to go ahead and clip our shirt to, and that way it doesn't actually get in way of the vents that are right here. Now this is 3 speeds. We've got a gentle speed, but I really like the high speed. I mean, it feels really good on my face, and then as I have it clipped underneath my shirt, it's really blowing that air really through there and kind of keeping me nice and cool. This is great when I'm walking out in the summer, or even if I'm standing in line in, say, amusement park. I get super, super hot. I love that it's compact. It's got a little power bank here. We've got these clips on each side. I love the colors here too, with the green against the black. Looks pretty cool. Easy, portable, easy to use. Hope you found this helpful.